So, St. Louis had another mechanical failure, which was fighting us against the car. Didn't get any setup time. Car was hard to drive. Had to go into battles. Yada yada. So, making sure it's not happening again. Teamed up with XS Power. So we ran other batteries in the past. Not the first time we had one die on us. So I hit these guys up because these guys are top notch. I know their stuff's great. So super stoked about this. They sent us a battery charger, and let's open this thing up. Got our battery charger that they sent us. And this thing is rad. This thing is an all metal housing battery charger, so we know that we can properly charge and maintain our batteries. This thing, I'm pumped for this. Go through so many cheap ones that just don't last, so that's gonna be rad for sure. Now let's see about the goods. A nice 3-year warranty with it. Got some stickers. They're always cool. We're gonna add those to the door for sure. Got some hardware. Alright, there she is. We're running the D3400 series, Group 34. It's basically average size battery. Didn't really worry too much about weight right now just because budget's tight for the rest of the season. So went with this, and then we're gonna upgrade to their dual setup, which has this new style battery, which we're gonna be pumped about for next year. But for now, we're just gonna throw this in the car so we can get the car up and ready to rip for Utah. So huge shout out to Remy from XS Power. Hooked us up, and we are stoked to work with you. Let's get this thing in the car, baby.